Join Protect Nature on a journey to discover the most majestic and terrifying moments of nature, captured through the lens. The authentic photos and videos will take us from terrifying earthquakes that shake the earth, causing buildings to collapse like sandcastles, to tsunamis that destroy cities, sweeping everything away in the arms of the sea. These moments are not only a testament to the brutality of nature, but also a reminder of the fragility of human life. Witnessing this power, we cannot help but shudder, but at the same time, feel the wild and mysterious beauty that nature brings. From fierce storms sweeping through fertile green lands, creating desolate scenes, to flash floods that sweep away everything in their path. Each event contains within it a story of survival and the relentless battle of humans against nature. The images capture the fierce winds, the white water, and the horrified expressions on the faces of those who witness them, all demonstrate the invincible power of nature and the resilience of humans. Through these moments, we not only learn about the power of nature, but also find inspiration to work together to protect the planet, celebrate life, and build a safer future for all. The tall trees, which once stood proudly in the blue sky, now become fragile before the fierce wind. Those layers of soil and rock destroy the house catastrophically. The flash flood rushed like a fierce beast, pushing everything in its path. The water fills rapidly, carrying rocks, sand, and debris from the fields. The other house caught fire. Flames spreading like sharp blades. Black smoke billowed into the sky, blocking the sunlight and creating a fierce trail. Like ghosts lost in the midst of nature's fury. The landslide happened suddenly, when huge blocks of rock and soil suddenly left the hillside, rushing down like a fury. The tsunami suddenly came, like a powerful punch from the ocean, sinking the small boats in its cruel embrace. Snowflakes flew everywhere, creating a white rain, leaving everything in eerie silence. The surrounding landscape quickly changed. The tornado boomed suddenly, carrying the howling sound of the rain, like a flood close to east. The house that had stood firm as stone wall suddenly shook. The roof flipped like a kite in the wind. The scene before my eyes was terrifying. Like a double tornado, they lost their direction and were swept away mercilessly by the strong wind. The fierce wind rushed forward, as strong as a natural rage, blowing away everything in its path. Debris, leaves, and even small objects were blown away, creating a blinding dust storm. Broken soil and rock flew up, creating dust, making the air heavy and stuffy. A sense of danger hung in the air. Oh, that bridge was also swept away in the floodwaters, lying in disarray in the congestion of the natural disaster. The ice melted strongly under the bright sunlight. Large blocks of ice breaking with a cracking sound like the sound of a battlefield. Chaotic scenes took place everywhere while trees shook and leaves fell in the fury of nature. The house quickly collapsed under the destructive power of fierce waves, like a fragile leaf in the middle of a storm. Oh, how terrible! When the ice melts strongly, the blocks of ice crumble loudly like thunder, causing the ground to tremble. Avalanches whitewash the entire land, like a sudden snowstorm attack. Large blocks of rock and soil roll down from the hillside, forming a layer of dust that covers everything around. The stones fell violently, like bullets from the sky, creating a constant popping sound. The house floats lazily on the water, like a fragile boat in the turbulent flow of life. The scene was chaotic. The whirlwind rushed forward, sweeping away dust and debris, creating a small storm in the middle of peace. The feeling of turmoil and fear prevails as the power of nature is revealed. Strong landslides occur like a fury of nature when rocks and soil roll down from the hillside with unstoppable force. Terrible. The storm blew everything away like an unstoppable fury. The wind howled, carrying trees and furniture, turning everything into flying debris. The other building had collapsed, its walls broken and concrete crumbling, creating a pile of ruins. The tree branches were twisted and tilted in a frenzy, and the yellow leaves were flying around like panicked birds. Oh, it's so wonderful and so scary. When the ice melts, large blocks of ice break off, falling with a cracking sound like thunder. The feeling of helplessness when witnessing the destructive power of nature makes people's hearts shudder. The forest fire broke out fiercely. The fierce flames devoured every tree canopy, turning the entire green forest into a sea of red flames. Thank you for accompanying Protect Nature on this journey to explore these majestic and impressive natural phenomena. The intense moments we have just experienced not only demonstrate the boundless power of Mother Nature course, but also a profound reminder of the importance of protecting the environment and preparing for emergencies. If you find this video useful, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Join us on this journey so you don't miss any exciting content. Every small action you take can contribute to making big changes for the future of the Earth. Together, we will protect our common home and build a greener, more sustainable planet. See you in the next